Ritu, I have given permission. Okay. Now today we start Vedic maths. Okay, and you have done in the Vedic maths what you have done in 600. What you have done in 600? Subtraction, Nikhilam method you have done now? Yes, Nikhilam method. So until multiplication we have done in 600. Now the first topic is division of any number. Write down division of any number by series of 9. Now we have to start with the divide. Manat, put your hand down. Now we have to start with the divide. Division of any number by series of 9. Nikhilam method. Okay, please all of you write down. This is your first concept. Series of 9. Level 3. Now first and second level we have done in the 600. Now level third we have to start in 700. The first method is series of 9. Means any number is divided by 9. How we divide with 9? Very easily according to Vedic rule. Okay, now I'll show you. First I'll show you the example. Now see on the whiteboard. Now series of 9. We have to start with the series of 9. We have to divide. Division. Now first is, if I write 48 divided by 9. If I write 48 divided by 9. How you divide? Simply we have to divide with the division rule. This rule. Now, but in Vedic maths, we are not applying this method. We are applying, means we have to break the number, because 9 is a single number, one number. So we have to break the number 1 and 1 here. Okay. Now 4 remains as it is, and we have to add 4 plus 8. Okay. 4 plus 8. It is 12. Now we have to divide with the 9. So if we divide 12 divided by 9, answer is 9 ones are 9 point. Now we have to put point here. 1 point. What is the remainder? 3. 3 is a remainder. 9 ones are 9. 10, 11, 12. So 3 is remainder. So we write 3 and put a bar on it. Okay. Put a bar on it. Please don't do. So अब क्या करेंगे हम इसके बाद? 0.3 as it is in the answer. 0.3 bar in the answer. And this one we have to add in 4. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. Why we put bar? Answer is 5.3 bar. Bar, why we put bar? Because we cannot divide further. Okay. Again and again 3 is coming. So we have to stop it here with one number. After point, we write only one number, and so that we put bar on it. We cannot divide further. Clear? We'll do the next example. All of you please write down. See the next example. If I write 54 divided by 9. Okay, we'll break from between 5 as it is. Then 5 plus 4, 9. So 9 divided by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. So after point means no remainder. So in remainder we put 0. Okay. So 0.0 as it is. After point number we write as it is. And this one plus in the 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Clear? See the next example. If I write 96 divided by 9. So what we do? We break the number from between. 9 as it is. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15. Now divide with the 9. 15 divided by 9 is 1. 9 ones are 9. And what is the remainder? 6 is the remainder. So we put bar. So 0.6 as it is. This 1 is added in 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10.6 bar. Okay, understood? Only don't write 0.6 only. 0.6 bar. Bar is important because it goes further. हम डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, डिवाइड वहीं पे खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, डिवाइड आगे बढ़ रहा है, इसलिए we have to put bar. Okay, see the next. Put your hand down. Afterwards, when I tell you what is the problem, then you have to raise your hand. Only first listen. Next part. 21 divided by 9. So we put again 1, divide the two numbers. 2 as it is. 2 plus 1, 3. Now see very carefully. Now 3 divided by 9. So 3 is smaller than 9. So we cannot divide. Our answer is in 0.3. ठीक है? So 3 9 से छोटा है, हम इसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 3 को ही हम पॉइंट के बाद बार में रख देंगे. ये नंबर एज इट इज आ जाएगा. और ये 2 के बाद लिए हमारे पास कुछ नहीं है प्लस करने के लिए. ठीक है, तो 2 भी एज इट इज आएगा. तो 2.3 बार. अगर नंबर छोटा होगा ना डिवाइड करने के लिए बेटा, तो हमने वही नंबर पॉइंट के बाद लिख देना है. 3 is smaller than 9, so we write 3 as it is, and 2 first number is as it is. Okay, see the next. If I write 99 divided by 9, please do it and tell me the answer. 99 divided by 9. Divide 2, then 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Then divided by 2. Sorry, divided by 9. Answer is 2.0. So what is the answer? 2 is added in 9. 11.0. Clear? Yes, good, Shivpriya. Good, good. Good, Suti, Mannat. Okay, very good. It means you understood well. Now we'll do, okay, one more part. 5, see here, beta. 50 divided by 9. Do it. 50 divided by 9. 5/0 divided by 9. Sorry. Then 5 as it is. 5 plus 0, 5. Then divided by 9. Now 5 is smaller. So what we do? 0.5 as it is. 5.5 bar. 5.5 bar. Because 5 is smaller than 9. Good. Janvi, Vedika, Navdeep. Good, good. Okay. Now we'll start with the 3-digit. Not 2-digit we have finished. Now, yes, good Sabun. Now we'll start with the 3-digit. Now see here. 3-digit 736 divided by 9. Now listen very carefully. 7/3/6, because this is a one number only, 19. So after one number we have to put slash. 7/3/6. Now same method, 7 as it is. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Then we have to do with the 9. Divide with 9. We have to add 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Okay. Now, when we divide, what is the answer? 9 ones are 9. What is the remainder? 7 is the remainder. So we put 7 bar. So what is the answer? 0.7 is as it is. 0.7 bar is as it is. Now this one is added in 0. 0 plus 1, 1. And this one again goes in next number. 1 plus 7 is 8. 81.7 bar. Okay, just Jeet, very good. Okay, I'll explain again. 8.7 is wrong, Samanya. 81.7 bar is right, Janvi. Very good. Okay, see the next. One more part. Manat, put your hand down. 464 divided by 9. 464 divided by 9. So again, we have to slash it. Then 4 as it is. Listen very carefully. First see and then write. 4 as it is. 4 plus 6, 10. Again, 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. Not 6 plus 4. First 4, then 4 plus 6, then 4 plus 6 plus 4. Okay. 10 plus 4 ho gaya, 9. Then we have to divide with 9. So 9 ones are 9. Put point. What is the remainder? 14 minus 9, 5. So 5 is the remainder. Put 5 bar. So what is the answer? 0.5 bar as it is. This one goes and add in 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then this 1 is added in this. 4 plus 1 is 5. 51.5 bar. Yes, Niharika. Good. Janvi. Janvi wrong, bacha. 1.5 nahi hai. 51.5 bar. Yes. Good, good, good. All good. Written good. Sirat, Bridhi, Stuti, Avni, Vedanshi, Vedika, Ruby. Very good. Okay. Next part. Next part. Very good performance. Now next. Now we'll. Okay, do one. Your own. 896 divided by 9. Now do it your own. Do it your own. Fast. Okay, Suti, I'll explain again. Wait. $99. Yes, very good, Jasjeet. Good performance. Good, Sirat. Very good. So, we have to divide it like this. So, 8 as it is. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 6, 23 divided by 9. So, what is the answer? 9 2s are 18 point. What is the remainder? 5 is the remainder. So we put bar. So what is the answer? 0.5 bar is the remainder. Then 2 is added in this. 2 plus 7, 9. And 1 plus 8, 9. 99.5. Good. All written good. Very good. Shreya, Samya, Bridhi, Mansirat. Good, good. Okay, next. Okay, fine, bacha, fine. Okay, now one is, no, 4-digit number. Please see the 4-digit number. 8, listen now, see very carefully again. 8, 6, 3, 9 divided by 9. Again, 9 is a one single number. So we slash by after one digit. Same method. 8 as it is. 8 plus 4, sorry, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 9, 26. Then you have to 26 divided by 9. So what is the answer? 9 2s are 18 point. What is the remainder? 8 bar. So answer is 0.8 we write as it is. Now 2 is added in 7. 2 is added in 7. 7 plus 2, 9. This one is added in 4. 4 plus 1, 5. And this one is added in 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 959.8 bar. Good. Very good, girls. Yes, Pragati. Navneet, Janvi, Sirjan, Harman. Good, good. Okay. Do the next. All of you understood? All of you are.
Yes, ma'am. One more time.
In this one more time.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
explain that
Yes, ma'am.
736 divided by 9?
okay. Next, more questions. Next is write down 9981 divided by 9. Do it yourself. Practice. You more you practice, you more you know how to do it. 9 as it is. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 8. फटाफट करते जाओ. 26. 26 plus 1, 27. 11. What is the answer? क्या लिख रहे हो बच्चा? You're writing wrong. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3.0. So answer is 0.0. 3 is added in 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 2 is added in 8. 10. Listen here now. Don't write. Please listen here. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 we put 0 here and 1 here. Then it becomes 2. 9 and 2. 11. So 100. 1109. Yes, good. Okay, Yashvi Mandla. Good. Briddhi, Ruby, Stuti, Manna, Diksha, Harman. Very good, very good. Okay, do more. Do more. Next, write down 3969 divided by 9. Yes. 3 as it is. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 9, 27 again, divided by 9. So again, 3.0. Okay. So answer is 0.0. 3 is added in this. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 का 1 इधर जाएगा और 1 इसके ऊपर आएगा. ठीक है? Then this becomes added in this. Now 2, 2, 3, 4. This 4 here. Then 1 इसके पास आएगा. 3 plus 1, 4. Clear? 441. Yes, Vedika. Good. Arshdeep, Ariana. 441 is the answer. Riddhi, please check your answer. Okay. Good. Understood all of you now? Okay, I'll send you some questions. Okay, you practice and do it in your copy. Understood, all of you? Now, your doubts. Now, time of doubts now. Wait. Now, one doubt is 50 divided by 9. So, see here. Again, 5 as it is. 5 plus 0. What is 5 plus 0? 5 only. Then 5 divided by 9. So 5 is smaller than 9. So this 5 remain as it is. 0.5 bar. Okay, and this 5 is as it is. This 5 as it is. And because this 5 is smaller, so smaller number, write we as it is. Okay. So answer is 5.5 bar. Understood, Stuti? Your question? Yes. 736 divided by 9. Okay. The next doubt is 736. Wait. 736 divided by 9. Okay. Now see here. Again. 7 as it is. 7 plus 3. 10. 10 plus 6. 16. Divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9. Okay, 1. What is the remainder? Remainder is 16 minus 9. 7. So 7 bar. So what is the answer? 0.7 bar as it is. This one goes and plus with 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And this one goes with the 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. 81.7 bar. Okay. Yes, good. 8639. Okay. Next doubt is 8639 divided by 9. Now see here. 8 as it is. 8 plus 6, 14. Then 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 9, 26 divided by 9. Okay. So what is the answer here? 26 divided by 9 is 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18 and 8 is a remainder. So we put bar. So answer is 0.8 bar. And 2 is added in 7. 7 plus 2, 9. This one is added in this. 4 plus 1, 5. And this one is added in 8, 9. Okay. Yes. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
करके करते हो ना? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One by one.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी बोलो बच्चा. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
One method I tell you by 9. In next class, I'll tell you about 99 and 999. Okay. In next class, I'll tell you about 99, how we divide with 99 and how we divide by 999 and 4 9s. Okay. Only one concept. You listen very carefully and write in your copy. Okay. I'll send you the other parts. You try it your own. Make a proper copy of Vedic maths. Is it clear? Because you don't have books. Don't tension about the book. I'll give you the questions. You do it in your fair notebook. Make a fair notebook of Vedic maths. Clear?